Hey, Dr. Naomi. My name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and this morning I had the privilege of speaking one of your receptionists who thought that you would be interested in this quick video I'm about to show you on a few key things you can do today, so that you can start getting those organic leads and stop having to pay for the expensive lead services. So as you can see, we're on your website and you have a nice looking website. You've got some content here. That's good. Although you do have some good content, you don't have quite enough content. So, the rule of thumb is that Google wants to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, or approximately 150 words for every buyer intent location based keyword that you're trying to rank for. Those are the keywords that people are actually searching for when it comes to services. They may not know the name of the company, but they know the services they need, and that's what they're searching for. Um, and because of the industry that you guys are in, this isn't a luxury service. Emergencies happen all the time. So you definitely want to make sure that you're ranked and that the customers can find you organically. So you're going to need to have a separate page for every one of your services and every one of your service areas. Every service area that has search volume uh, from people, you need to have a page for. So let's take a look at one of your top competitors. This is Disaster Restoration Services. They also have a nice looking website. Um, but again, they don't have enough content either. So you definitely want to make sure that you have enough content and more than your top competitors in each of your service areas. Um, so you also want to make sure that you have those separate pages that I just mentioned. Um, so if we come over here, this is the program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website performs. And as you can see, Google has given your domain a rating of a 0.3 out of 100, um, which has everything to do with your backlinks. And it looks like your homepage has a rating of a 29, which means that most of your backlinks are actually being pushed to your homepage instead of your actual service pages, where a lot of these should belong. And not all backlinks are created equal. Um, and so you want to make sure that you're getting high quality authoritative backlinks and that you also have more of those authoritative backlinks than your top competitors in each of your service areas. It does show you not ranking, but being indexed for over 500 keywords. But these are not your buyer intent keywords. Not all keywords that drive traffic to your site are going to convert into customers. So you want the keywords that are actually going to convert. And because of the content and the keyword strategy currently in place, you're only seeing a traffic of about 84 people on average per month. But if we look at your top competitor, they have a low rating of an 11. They have about 150 more backlinks than you. That's a lot of backlinks to have such a low score, which also says most of these backlinks are junk and spam. As I said, not all backlinks are created equal. You want the highly authoritative ones. They have more organic keywords than you. And so they're seeing over 850 people to their website every month out of thousands in search volume for your service areas. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant and the more authoritative the website is that links to you, the more power Google's going to give you to help you rank. And your content, keywords, and your backlinks all work together. So you need them on each and every page and service area so people can find you in each of your service areas for each of the services you provide. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is citations. When a customer puts a search in Google, one of the first things you're going to see are ads. And the next thing you're going to see here is the Google My Business page or Google Map Pack. And your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section. It's a highly competitive area. And if 30% of people stop here, so if you're not here, you're giving away your leads to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the main one is citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, and LinkedIn. And you need a lot more than your top competitor. So now if you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become #1 across Google for all of your keywords and pages. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and reply to my email or give me a call at the number on this screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.